Novitec has employed professional engine tuning for decades to make the cars from Ferrari even more dynamic and even faster. While the inner workings of the 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8 in the bow of the Roma remain untouched, the peripherals are modified in several expansion levels. In order to optimize the power delivery further, the engineers of the tuner developed modified controls for the electronic engine management system. All output levels use a Novitec Entronic control module, which introduces specifically calibrated mapping for injection and ignition. It also upgrades the electronic boost pressure control. These measures benefit more than just the power delivery. They also further optimize the throttle response and the powerful in-gear acceleration. In addition, Novitec offers high-performance catalysts that have a performance-enhancing effect. In Performance Level 2, the peak output of the 8-cylinder engine increases by 61.8 kilowatts/84 HP, while peak torque grows by 122 Nm over the stock configuration. With 518 kilowatts/704 HP at 7,400 RPM and 882 Nm at a low 3,750 RPM, the coupe sprints from 0-100 km per hour in just 3.2 seconds and reaches a speed of 200 km per hour after a mere 8.9 seconds. The top speed is in excess of 325 km per hour.